Yo, tech lovers, ready to ride the future? Today, we're diving into genius asphalt and paving innovations that are on another level. So don't blink, don't scroll, don't miss it. The future of roads is right in front of you, right now. The Dynapack XD25 110C is a high-performance asphalt paver designed for precision and efficiency in large-scale highway construction projects. Equipped with the advanced PaveOS operating system, it gives operators full control over paving functions to ensure smooth material flow and excellent mat quality. The integrated DynaLink telematics system provides real-time monitoring and performance data to improve productivity and reduce downtime. Powered by a reliable Cummins engine, the paver can place up to 1,100 tons of asphalt per hour with consistent results. Smart leveling sensors ensure accurate surface control, while ergonomic features enhance operator comfort. With modern automation and digital guidance, the XD25 110C sets new standards in road paving performance. The TopCon Smooth Ride Paver System is an advanced paving solution that combines digital scanning, intelligent design, and machine control to deliver smoother and more accurate asphalt surfaces. Using high-speed 3D scanning, it captures detailed data from existing roads to create precise digital models that guide both milling and paving operations. This allows variable depth milling and variable thickness paving, reducing material waste and rework. Sensors such as sonic trackers and GNSS receivers enable automated control to maintain exact thickness and slope. Integrated software converts scan data into usable designs, improving workflow from planning to execution. By minimizing manual setup and reducing lane closures, Smooth Ride enhances safety, efficiency, and overall project quality. The Huisker Chip Seal Grid is an advanced geosynthetic solution designed to strengthen and extend the service life of spray seal pavements. It combines a high-tenacity biaxial reinforcing grid with a non-woven fabric that effectively retains bitumen, providing both reinforcement and waterproofing in one system. When applied to prepared road surfaces, it creates a protective barrier against water penetration, reducing moisture-related damage and cracking. The integrated grid adds structural strength, helping delay reflective cracks and resist surface rupture. It also improves seal coat stability by limiting bitumen movement and enhancing aggregate retention. Flexible and easy to install, the Chip Seal Grid is ideal for highway and rural road rehabilitation projects, delivering durable, long-term performance. The Gomaco GP 2400 Slipform Paver is a powerful and versatile concrete paving machine built for large-scale infrastructure projects. It can pave widths up to 16 feet with the standard frame and up to 24 feet with optional extensions, making it suitable for highways, airport aprons, and major roadways. Available in both 2-track and 4-track configurations, it offers excellent mobility and easy transport between job sites. Its telescoping frame allows quick width adjustments, while the advanced G+ digital control system ensures accurate steering and grade control. With a comfortable operator platform and optional bar insertion systems, the GP2400 delivers high productivity, precision, and reliability in modern concrete construction. Huisker Hatelit XP is an advanced asphalt reinforcement grid designed to improve the strength and durability of roads, pavements, and other surfaces while reducing long-term maintenance costs. Made from high-quality polyvinyl alcohol, it offers excellent resistance to harsh alkaline environments, making it ideal for use on concrete and milled surfaces. The system combines a high-strength grid with a lightweight non-woven backing and a special bituminous coating that ensures strong bonding between asphalt layers. This helps prevent reflective cracking and supports heavy traffic loads. Hatelit XP is widely used on highways, airport runways, and taxiways, providing a reliable and cost-effective solution for modern pavement construction. Colored asphalt. Ulticolor is a high-performance paving solution that combines durability with vibrant, eye-catching finishes. It uses a clear polymer-modified binder blended with high-quality pigments and color-matched aggregates to create surfaces in a wide range of shades, from subtle neutral tones to bold reds, blues, and greens. Beyond appearance, Ulticolor improves safety by clearly marking bus lanes, cycle tracks, pedestrian areas, and other special zones, enhancing visibility in busy traffic environments. It is available in multiple surface courses, including 6 mm, 10 mm, and 14 mm, and can also be produced as porous asphalt for better drainage. Installed with standard paving equipment, Ulticolor delivers long-lasting color, strength, and reliability for modern road projects. The Cymex RT1000 Gen 2 is an innovative asphalt maintenance attachment that restores damaged road surfaces without removing old material or adding new hot mix asphalt. Designed for skid steers and compact loaders, it performs milling, crushing, mixing, and the injection of eco-friendly rejuvenators in a single pass. Using cold in-situ recycling, it reuses 100% of existing pavement to repair cracks, potholes, and surface wear efficiently. This method reduces costs, limits traffic disruption, and lowers environmental impact. The Gen 2 model features upgraded electronics, smarter controls, and a real-time video display for precise monitoring. By combining speed, sustainability, and efficiency, the ART1000 Gen 2 delivers a modern solution for durable road maintenance. Metalbach and Farb SpotFlex is a modern structured road marking system designed to improve safety, visibility, and durability on high-traffic roads. Using advanced two-component methyl methacrylate technology, it creates a textured, three-dimensional surface that efficiently disperses water, reduces glare, and increases reflectivity in wet or low-light conditions. Unlike traditional flat road paints, its raised pattern enhances light reflection, giving drivers clearer lane guidance. As a Type 2 road marking solution, SpotFlex is ideal for highways and major roads where long-term performance is essential. It is also solvent-free, making it a more environmentally friendly option. With its strong construction and innovative surface design, SpotFlex delivers reliable, long-lasting markings that improve driver awareness and overall road safety.